make my soul in the Swiss cheese. Nah, yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Coach Rai here. And ayun, sobrang dami nagre-request ng full day of eating video kung paano ko daw pinapasok yung calories and yung macros ko everyday and kung paano daw yung type ng diet na ginagawa ko. So, samahan niyo ako today if gusto niyo malaman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga kinakain ko every single day. But flexible kasi yung dieting ko. So, yung kakainin ko ngayong araw na to, posible na hindi ko siya kainin bukas or sa isang araw. Basta tinatrack ko yung macros ko and may sarili akong target na macros. And calories per day. So ngayon, naka-caloric deficit ako and low carb day. Ang calories natin for today is 2,316 calories to be exact. So ayan, MyFitnessPal, 2,316 calories for today. Tapos ang macros natin is 117 grams ng carbs, 88 grams ng fats, and 264 grams ng protein. So ayan. So, ito yung kailangan nating ma-target today, although not 100%, baka susubukan natin, okay? So, ayun, samahan niyo ako, gutom na ako, tara! Meal number 1 natin is 4 medium egg whites, 1 whole egg, medium din, and then niluto ko lang siya sa non-stick pan, tapos naglagay ako ng garlic granules. So, ayan lang, napakasimple. And for the protein shake naman, 2 scoops ng Blue Love Whey by USN, 50 grams ng blueberries, and low sodium peanut butter. So, ayan, basic lang yung breakfast natin. So, sinesave ko yung carbs ko later kasi low carb tayo ngayon, 117 grams lang ng carbs. So, since breakfast pa lang naman or first meal of the day, kaya pa naman ng walang carbs. Okay? So, ayan. Kain na tayo. Okay, so ipasok natin si meal number 1, breakfast. So, usually makikita mo na yun sa history mo if yan naman yung palagi mo kinakain. So, ito yun naman yung palagi ko kinakain. So, unahin natin yung eggs. So, egg, 1 whole egg, medium, tapos egg whites, 4, medium. So, ayan. Tapos, Blue Love Whey, USN Blue Love Whey. So, ito yung gamit natin, yung Whey Tela flavor. So, 2 scoops. So, ayan. Tapos, yung Jif na low sodium. 14 grams ng carbs, 11 grams ng fats, and 69 grams ng protein. So, check natin kung correct. 1 whole egg, 4 egg whites, medium. And then, 2 scoops ng Blue Love Whey, Whey Tela flavor. And then, peanut butter na low sodium Jif. Then, blueberries, 50 grams. So, ayan na yung first meal of the day natin. So, second meal of the day, gagamitin natin itong meals from Fuel Up by Kcal. So, meron siyang 100 grams of chicken breast Italian, 100 grams white potato, 100 grams ng green beans. So, meron akong 2 pack. So, ang gagawin ko dito is kukunin ko yung 100 grams ng chicken breast Italian sa isang pack and ililipat ko dito sa kabila kasi kailangan ko ng 200 grams. Tapos, kukunin ko lang is yung 100 grams ng white potato and 100 grams ng green beans. So, ito na yung meal number 2 ko. Tapos, ito isa-save ko later on or maybe tomorrow. And ito na yung meal number 2. So, ito na yung breakdown ng lunch natin. Meal number 2 is 31 grams ng carbs, 11 grams ng fats, and 66 grams ng protein. So, available naman sa MyFitnessPal yung Fuel Up meals. So, nilagay natin is yung 200 grams ng chicken breast Italian, 100 grams ng white potato cubes, and 100 grams ng green beans. So, ayan.
Yeah. You feel that? Kid, please. You're gonna make my soul in the Swiss cheese. Nah, Yeah, when the world feels dreary and cold and people trying to shoot holes in your ethereal soul, acting nasty like some bacterial mold. Whatever happens, let it go and
Okay, so ito na yung meal number 3 natin, guys. 200 grams ng pink salmon, tapos 300 grams ng cucumber. So naglagay lang ako dito ng 1 tablespoon ng olive oil kasi naghahabol din tayo sa fats. Medyo mababa pa yung fats natin and kailangan natin yon for energy balance. So niluto ko lang siya sa air fryer, 20 minutes, 160 degrees. And ito, hinugasan ko lang. So ayan. Check natin yung macros. 11 grams ng carbs, 16 grams ng fats, and 44 grams ng protein. So, alalay muna tayo sa carbs kasi mag-workout tayo after, let's say, in 2 hours or 3 hours. So, mas maganda kasi mag-workout if hindi ganun kabigat yung tiyan mo. So, ayan. Salmon and cucumber with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa gym. Hamstring and glutes. But anyway, sa mga nagsasabi na, coach, sobrang expensive naman ang diet mo. Hindi kaya ng budget namin yan. Para kasi sa akin, you prioritize what you value. Iba ka, nakakabili pa ng skin sa ML, nakakabili ng maraming sapatos, nakakabili ng kung ano-ano, ng iPhone. Tapos tinitipid yung pagkain. Parang kasi sa akin, yung pagkain, essential talaga yan. Kasi pinapasok mo sa katawan mo yan, dapat quality yan. So, di bali na magtipid sa ibang bagay, huwag lang sa pagkain. Kasi food is fuel, food is for function, food is for health. So, ayun. Para sa akin, hindi rason yun. Kung gusto mo talaga mag-diet, maraming pagkain na pwedeng ipasok sa budget. Kung hindi mo kayang bumili ng salmon, pwede naman tilapia, di ba? Pwede naman bangus. Kung hindi mo kaya bumili ng chicken breast, bumili ka ng chicken thigh. O isang buong chicken. So, ayan. Kaya huwag mo akong bibigyan ng rason na kaya hindi ka makapag-diet is hindi ka makabili ng salmon or chicken breast. Unless allergic ka. But still, marami pa ring options. No excuses. So, ito na yung last meal of the day. So, ito yung post-workout meal, 100 grams ng brown rice, 100 grams ng green beans, and 100 grams ng chicken breast. Tapos, after 2 hours, kakain ako ulit ng chicken shawarma, 200 grams, 300 grams ng cucumber, and 2 tablespoons ng Jif peanut butter. So, ito na yung total ng last 2 meals, 58 grams ng carbs, 41 grams ng fats, and 87 grams ng protein. So, pinagsama ko na lang siya. So, ayan, chicken breast, brown rice, green beans, chicken shawarma, peanut butter, and 300 grams ng cucumber. So, ang total calories natin for today is 2,156. So, medyo kinulang lang tayo ng konti, pero okay lang yun kasi naka-deficit naman tayo. So, ito na yung final macros natin, guys, for today. So, 110 grams ng carbs, 78 grams ng fats, and 265 grams ng protein. Time check, 10:39. Check natin yung steps per day, 18,586 steps, 3,085 calories. So, ang gamit kong smartwatch is itong Fitbit. So, matagal ko nang gamit to and okay naman siya. And I think mas accurate to compared to other Android watches. So, ayun guys, I think that's all for today. So, yung intake natin is 2,156 calories. And then yung calorie burn is 3,094 calories. So, ang deficit natin is around 900 calories. So, malaki na yun for one day. And ang target deficit lang naman natin is around 300 to 500 per day. So, sobrang active natin today kasi around 18,600 steps tayo today. And, ayun, busy din. So, good thing din yun. And ang problema ko lang is late na ako nakakain kaya naghabol ako sa meals ko sa end of the day. Pero nahabol naman natin so okay lang yun. And ayun lang, if may questions kayo, suggestions, just let me know. Comment down below. And thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.